Everyone couldn't wait for Samsung to release the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in July. A mouthwatering picture leak of one of these next Z Foldables has already surfaced. Additionally, it seems to be very authentic, maybe from an early test unit in the wild. The leaked image focuses on the camera side and provides a hands-on look at what is said to be the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung has shifted the LED flash closer to the center of the bump this time, although the camera arrangement still resembles that of the Fold 6. The new design changes, however, are what really stand out. The Fold 7 seems to be taking some design inspirations from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including as the distinctive color scheme and gently rounded sides. Additionally, the picture suggests that Samsung is aiming for a bigger cover screen, which should improve the device's feel in the hand. Samsung is undoubtedly improving the foldable game in all the right ways if this is the genuine thing. However, despite its thin design and good cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is still unable to compete with some of the foldable phones that are coming out of China. Chinese brands of book-style foldables often have larger batteries, slimmer bodies, and quicker charging times. Pretty amazing thing. This is the exciting part, however. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has the potential to become the thinnest foldable phone in the world. Additionally, Samsung intends to use titanium to make it even more durable. Samsung claims that it plans to add titanium to the backplates of the Z Fold 7 and its first trifold phone, which are both anticipated to be released in the second half of the year. In essence, the rear plate serves as a support element between the folding screen and the hinge. Over the years, Samsung has used a variety of materials. The Z Fold 3 was made of carbon fiber, the early Fold versions were made of stainless steel, and the special edition was made of titanium. Titanium is fantastic because, although being more difficult to create, it is very strong and light. One interesting compromise, however, is that the Z Fold 7 most likely won't include a S Pen digitizer, which keeps things small. Rather than requiring an additional digitizer layer, Samsung is developing a new OLED screen that can detect a stylus. Similar to how Apple uses stylus technology. Although Samsung and HiDeep are collaborating on this, it's still unknown when the Galaxy Z series will really have it. Samsung is promoting several innovative materials and technology. I'm eager to see how this foldable race develops. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.